Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be cooking up something really good. Just a classic chicken Parmesan. We got our prep station already. We got some flour, egg, and here we got some Parmesan cheese and regular Italian breadcrumb. We have our oil already heating up. We're going to get our stove ready. Set that to we're going to set that to about 350, and we're using some chicken thighs for our chicken. We're going to use our favorite for the sauce, Rayos marinara sauce, and we're going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese, and we will cook it in the oven for about 15 minutes at about 350. Alright, so let's get started. We'll grab our chicken first, dump it in our flour, next we will dump it in the egg. This will help the breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese to stick on there real good. I guess I should have kept one hand dry here. Best thing to do is keep one dry, one clean. Get that chicken and Parmesan on there. And let's go ahead. We have our oil. It's approximately 350. And we'll probably let that cook on the one side for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. Get it cooked in there real good. And while we're doing that, let's get us another one ready. Same process. Let's dab it in our flour. And our egg. Same again. And our breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese. And once we got that nice and coated, go ahead and dump that in there. See how it's looking. Oh yeah. That grill off a little bit. Let this cook up some little more. Once we let this drip off a little bit on each side, we can put this on our pan, like so. nice and crispy. Alright, we'll let that dry off a little bit, let the oil drip off. And we'll put this on our pan and we'll do the rest of our chicken. And when that's done, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Our chicken is beautifully done. Now we're going to put some of our sauce on top. We're just going to spread that all around nice. Very nicely. Boy, it smells good. Man, I cannot wait to try this. Alright, let's kind of spread that around like so. Ah, yes, yes. Yes, indeed. Alright guys, now to top this off, we're going to sprinkle this mozzarella cheese. And we're going to be very generous with this because she likes it ooey gooey cheesy. We will definitely put plenty on here for her. Now, just to remind everyone, this is chicken thighs. It's boneless, it's skinless, so it should be very good. The sauce is Rayos. I mean, of course, you could use your own if you prefer your own homemade sauce, or you can use a regular Italian sauce. But we like the taste of Rayos. We're just going to probably use up this whole bag. Why not? We like it cheesy. Alright, we are going to put this in our oven. It's already preheated to 350. And hopefully this should be done in about 15 minutes. And when this is done, we'll be right back with the finishing look to it and give it a good taste. Alright guys, be right back. Alright guys, we are back and our chicken parm is done, and look how beautiful this is. Look at all that ooey gooey cheese. Just the way we like it. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's pull one out of here. I'll try to. Once I get through all this nice gooey cheese. Oh man, look at that. Look at that guys, look at all that cheese. That's yummy. Let's cut into it and take a look. See how gooey, nice and done this is. Oh yes, look at that. And it just cut through that like butter. Alright, now the best part of this cooking. Now we give it a taste test. Let's be careful it's not too hot. Let's make it a little smaller here. Oh. This is a touchdown all the way. Give this one a thumbs up. It's good. It's excellent. Give it a shot. Let us know in the comments what you think of it if you do. Alright, be sure to stay tuned. We got more recipes coming. And we'll keep these up to date. Alright, everyone have a great day and thanks for watching.